What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy M. Hoping everyone's having a positive day and out there shopping for your family and friends for gifts because Christmas is almost coming up. Well, today I'll be doing a gaming headset review that RUNMUS sent me out to test out. This is the RUNMUS K11 gaming headset that they sent out for me. I appreciate you guys for sending me this out to test out. I also did another gaming headset that sent out to me earlier. I did a review on it already. It's the RUNMUS K3 gaming headset that I did. You check the link up here or the link down below. So let's get started with the video. Before I unbox the gaming headset, let's go over the specs of this K11 RUNMUS gaming headset according to specification. The speaker size, 50mm driver, 7.1 surround sound. It have a USB 2.5 meter jack. It have a microphone input and off input. It had noise cancellation microphone, adjustable stereo slider, and it's multi-platform capability with PS4, PC, Xbox, and whatnot. So let's unbox the RUNMUS K11 gaming headset and see what you get. You get your manuals as always. Put that there. And the gaming headset yourself. These gaming headset, especially with RUNMUS, you get almost the same identical thing. The adapter for your PC. So you get your gaming headset and adapter for your PC for the audio and mic input. Let's see the construction of the gaming headset itself. The construction, like with almost all gaming headsets, it's an okay build, solid construction for what it is. Now with this one, the K11, it's all made of a plastic. All plastic. Plastic in this area, plastic adjustable area, aluminum plastic. You can see it's all plastic. Stretchability, like you can tell, it's more flimsy since it's all plastic. So you wouldn't want to twist it too much or you're gonna break the plastic. All right, so the cushion on this, like I said, I already tested this out. So the cushion on this, the different for what I've seen on this one, these cushion cuffs, it's smaller than the other gaming headset I tested out. Right here, you can tell it's way smaller. And you got a cushion up here, level light cushion on top of this gaming headset. And you got the microphone right here. It's adjustable. You could move it up and move it back down. Adjustable. And obviously you got your R logo for RUNMUS right here. All right, so let's power this on and see how the RGB look like. There we go, the RGB is on. The RGB light on this side and this side on the microphone tip itself. So let's test it on, show you how it looks like on the headset. That's how it looks like. Go to the side. Let's go to the other side. And like I said, you could adjust the mic itself just like this. You twist it up and twist it back down. You could adjust this thing as well, however you like it. Bring it up, down, adjust this, however you like it. Like I said, I already tested this out, so I'm gonna go over some of the things I like about it, some of the things I don't like about it. So also you get the control itself with the volume up and volume down, and the mic input for the mic to be on or off. There's no control for the RGB light itself to turn off and on. So in the way to turn it off, you got to unplug the USB to power it on the RGB if you don't want it on. Or if you want it on, just plug it back in, as so. So one thing I don't like about this is just my opinion. If you guys like it the way it is, then you guys like it. So with the mic input right here, the RGB light, it will stay on regardless. If you plug this in, it will stay on regardless. There's no controller to be on and off, so this is gonna be on. If this annoy you, just unplug it. But once you're playing your game or whatnot, you won't even notice this here and nothing like that. It'd be cool if that it have a switch for like the audio mic is open so you can tell it's on, or off so the light would be off so you know it's off, stuff like that. So yeah, this is only one color RGB light, as you can tell it's red. So the fitting of this, like I said earlier, the cuff right here, the cushion, it's smaller than the other ones, and this is not tight as the other RUNMUS that I tested out. The K3, you can check a look at it up here or the link below. Like you can see, it's more wider in the fit of it. It's not tight, it's more loose. So those you got with the bigger head, this will be perfect for you guys since it's not tight at all. Let's test it. You can tell it move around a little bit, but it's okay. But what I noticed is these cuffs for my ear, it's a little, for some reason it doesn't fit perfectly with my ear for this one, but it's not a problem, but it's just my opinion on it. It doesn't really confirm for your ear or anything like that. I tested this out for playing games. It is lightweight since there's no metal material on this, so it's more lightweight, so your neck and stuff won't be stressed out. That's what I noticed with this headset. And also, when I was using this for a while, it did hurt my ear a little bit for a couple of hours playing, but that's totally depend on you of how you like it. See what else. So how does it sound like I'm playing video games, listening to music, or watching videos on this? Like with all gaming headset that I test out, it usually sounds the same in my opinion of the 7.1 surround sound. You could hear the footsteps and Rainbow Six when I play those games. You get the ricochet and the small background noise just fine. There's bass and trombone, not the highest, but enough for the enjoyment. So sound quality sound like any other game headset tests out with my previous testing. The audio, like I said, it's totally dependent on you, see how you like it. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the RUNMUS K11 gaming headset I'm testing out with the Audacity, with the raw audio file. So testing 1, 2, 3, like I said, this is going to depend on you if the sound quality is good for you. But in my opinion, it's decent enough, like any other gaming headset that I test out on my channel. And I also got this GoPro 11 that I bought to help out with my YouTube setup, and I'm trying to use this. Figure out a way you just as a overhead camera shot to help out. Cause I use one camera and do the overhead. When I shoot the overhead shot, I always move my primary camera to the table and record. So it's like a two-step process. So I'm trying to get this GoPro to work overhead. So it'll be a run process setup for everything be in the system, and just cut it, edit it, make things more smooth for me to do, edit the video and whatnot. So yeah, like I said, this is the raw audio test with the RUNMUS K11 gaming headset. The sound quality is going to depend on you of how you like it. So yeah, so let's get back to the video. As you guys could hear the audio, now the audio just sounds just fine, decent for me to talk to people on Discord or voice chat on the in-game player and whatnot. And hopefully this video helped you guys out. If this gaming headset, the RUNMUS K11, is good for you and whatnot, like I said, it's a basic gaming headset with different type of design and aesthetic. Work just fine for casual gaming and whatnot. And also I'll be doing a mini ITX gaming build pretty soon. This is my first time doing a mini ITX. I'm pretty excited about it. So subscribe and like so you'll be get a notification on it when I upload that video. And also in that video, I'll be doing a giveaway as well with that video. I already got some of my parts already. You can tell right here. I got the power supply, the motherboard, and the case and whatnot. Just waiting for some other parts to come in so I'll start doing the mini ITX build. And with that video, I'll be doing a giveaway. To get more information on that, like I said, subscribe and like and whatnot. And so yeah, hope you guys have a good one. Y'all take care now.